Uh-oh, looks like the interns did it again. Apparently, they copied in a bunch of data and didn't combine everything into a single table. Oh no, horrors of horrors, what shall we do? In the old days, this would mean a lot of copying and pasting. Fortunately, there's a function out there called VSTACK, which will make our lives a lot easier. The VSTACK allows us to combine all these separate chunks into one big, neat table. Let's see a few ways we can use this. For the first illustration, notice that we have the column headings we want to use over here. Now we can go up and click on the FX icon, do a search for VSTACK, and from this point, all we have to do is select all the data in the tables. So where it says Array 1, we'll select this chunk of cells, jump down to Array 2, and select this chunk of cells, jump down to Array 3, select this chunk of cells, click OK, and there we go. Check it out. Moving on, let's take a look at another example of how to use the VSTACK. Let's say in this example, there is no designated area for the column headers, and we want to include them on the new table. To do this, all we have to do is make sure to include the column headers on the first selection of the VSTACK. Let's go up and click the FX, do a search for VSTACK, and now for Array 1, let's be careful and make sure we include the column headings. Jump down to Array 2, select just the data. For Array 3, just select the data, click OK, and there we go. In conclusion, let's talk about a few finer points of the VSTACK. Be aware that this function is linked to the source data, so if any of the source data would change, so would the results of the VSTACK. If you're okay with this, feel free to let things be. If you have to use the raw data, simply copy it, do a paste special, paste values. That's it for this lesson. We'll see you in the next one.